This is where the South African soccer team, football team, got their nickname Bafana Bafana. And I think it was around the campaign of 2010 and whatnot. And it's amazing how it originated in Pretoria, when many people would assume somewhere in Johannesburg.
We then decided to say each of us would come up with a suggestion, we'll check on it. I having been someone who would be covering softball in Pretoria, for instance, then I would recall that when softball was being played, say in Atteridgeville or Mamelodi, some of the fans would be shouting Bafana, being mostly Tswana and Spedi speaking people, saying, Banyanye Bafana, Banyanye Bafana, Banyanye Bafana, in Pretoria. Sounds nice. It's not tribalistic, it's Mupedi Banyanye Bafana. That person is happy that Bafana means energetic a youth or a player and all that. So I then decided to type, after I've written my column, I asked Sello to read through it. He read through it, he said, well done. Then Sbusiso, who was out on an assignment, came later. And he saw it, said, no, let's use it. Nobody is calling any team with this. We're predicting that our team will be forever youthful.